How to make turmeric milk. So let's start with our dry ingredients. First you'll need some turmeric and 1 cup of milk. Next we need to peel the turmeric. Now we want to mix our dry and wet ingredients together. To make our lives just that little bit easier, I'm going to be using the blender. Next we are going to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of maple syrup. Now, this elixir is really good to take if you're suffering from any inflammatory symptoms such as eczema, colds, coughs and flus, fevers. More importantly, it's an excellent source of vitamin C.